Hey there! Ever wondered how to switch up your Mobile Legends email on your iPhone? No worries, I've got the solution for you. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can make a change in no time. Let's dive in. First off, open the Mobile Legends. Then, locate and tap on your profile icon. Now, switch over to the Account tab. After that, tap on the Account Center button. Next up, hit the Change Email Address option. Now, tap on Send Code. Then, keep an eye on your email linked to your Moonton account for a verification code. After receiving the code, enter it into the designated box and hit Confirm. Now, input the new email address you want to use in the first box, then tap to send code. After that, you'll receive a verification email in your new inbox. Just type in the code from that email into the second box and hit Confirm. And there you have it. Your account email is successfully updated. That's all there is to it for changing your Mobile Legends account email on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Catch you in the next one.